I think tires are probably the most exciting yet most boring purchase in the world. Check these girthy girls out. We got some beefcakes, 335 millimeters wide right here for the Nissan GTR Godzilla, aka the Bug Killer. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. So we have lots to do today. We got big time house updates. These tires though, these tires are thick with 2 C's. So, these are for the GTR, 1400 wheel horsepower. Take 2. A lot of take 2s today. We're dropping off the tires and the wheels to be mounted, and then we're headed out to the house for a big time update on the house. I know you guys are thinking it's not a house channel, it's a car channel, but let this sink in. The Nissan GTR, the Lamborghini Gallardo, the Lamborghini Aventador Roadster, the Ferrari 458, the Veyron, they're all gone. Like, we have no access to any cars whatsoever. They all should be back at the exact same time Christmas Day, but you know they're all gonna be delayed, and they're gonna arrive in January. So, yeah, house video. Never in the entire history of the channel has a USA Grunt been featured on the channel. It's like a knockoff Rizvani, or is the Rizvani the knockoff Grunt? I guess we'll never know, or maybe we will. You see, this is the kind of tenacity and work ethic. Oh wait, Luke's actually helping. I'm just holding the camera. Don't drop it, bro. And 3 minutes later, tires, wheels dropped off a discount tire, and we have the Grunt. I don't even know what the Grunt is. I kind of want it. You see, guys, last time we featured the Beam vlog, it was the best iteration of the vlog. Views were up, comments were up, interaction was through the roof. We got the 2 biggest beams you guys are ever gonna see. This is dope. You see, guys, I don't know exactly what's going on in Utah right now. It is December 4th. It's like 55 degrees and sunny. There isn't snow in sight, and the house is looking gorgeous, but you know what's looking even more gorgeous? That honey bucket. I pay almost $300 a month for that honey bucket. This is probably not OSHA approved. I need my hard hat to protect my noggin, but check it out, ladies and gentlemen. That's some high grade steel right there. I think we need that B-roll, that Luke Terry B-roll right now. Now, I think a lot of the OG subscribers will remember, I think it was 4 years ago when I first decided I wanted to build my dream garage, and the basis for the garage was gonna be an 8-car garage with an apartment above it. That is effectively what this is right here, but unfortunately because of the city, because of permitting issues, resale value, we actually had to add everything. The back cave was a last second add as well. That was dope, but yeah, this was the basis for the garage. We finally have these steel beams going up. We're gonna have 8 cars, 4 on each side. This view out the deck is gonna be so crazy. Now, last night, I did a lot of research, I did a lot of analytics, and I wanna show you guys something I'm very, very proud of. It's like I'm back in the 4th grade. I got my notebook. Unfortunately, for a lot of privacy reasons, I'm not gonna be able to actually show you guys every single invoice because there's a lot of private information on there, but I've kind of broken it down into all the main subject categories. We have lumber, we have excavation, we have concrete, we have honey bucket, for example. I paid $1,416 for the honey bucket. That's through September, so it's only gonna be more expensive. So I wanna break down the cost from the very beginning, from the day we bought the land until where we're at right now. So I've already mentioned this a million times. We bought 1.7 acres in the beautiful state of Utah for $460,000. Now, before we could do anything whatsoever, we had to get a stupid city permit. Now, originally, the budget for that was $24,000. Now, the reoccurring theme in today's video, nothing is ever under budget. It's always over budget. The city permit, wait for it, drum roll, if you get a drum roll, $32,600. $13. The original bid for excavation, $41,550, but continuing with the trend, actual excavation, the actual cost to dig the hole, $45,767.50. This hurts the soul. This is fun. Everything, like literally everything is over budget. Even the honey bucket. Why is it so expensive? This one's gonna hurt a little bit more. Concrete, and we have a lot of concrete. We got the concrete floors, the concrete walls, the suspended slab. Now originally, the cost of concrete was gonna be 150,000 bucks. Actual, $211,536.03. So when you're building a house, there's a lot of unforeseen ideas, a lot of unforeseen costs. For example, the back cave, this was not a part of the original bid. I'm so glad we did it, but it cost me an extra $175,000. Also, this post-apocalypse safe door, this wasn't on the original plan, another $7,000. Plumbing, $3,635. The entire foundation is waterproofed, $1,645. We have engineering and surveying, I don't even really know what that is, $836.56. We have retainage, $1,000. What's retainage? We have the hydrant meters renter's deposit. What is that? $1,300, and there's an admin fee for $39. We have some line item that says NOI fee. I have no idea what that is. Presumably like a noise ordinance for construction and whatnot. $150. Just imagine when the Lambos are here. We also have a lot of steel in the house. We got the steel in the back cave. We got the new steel beams right up here, and then the steel in the kitchen to hang the car on the wall. Originally, $42,000. Now, $74,000. Of course, the big ticket item that I've complained to you guys about for so long, lumber. Originally, lumber was $250,000. Fast forward to today, $441,000. Now you guys understand. Now you get it why I kiss my wood. It's my wood. It's expensive wood. It's the right wood. So the grand total to date on everything that's done, $827,368.56. Now, originally to get to this point, we were supposed to be around $550,000. So we're already almost $300,000 over budget. By the time it's all said and done, we might be $500,000 over budget. Now, obviously, in the pandemic, the price of lumber, steel, concrete, like everything is just through the roof. Timing wise, we could have chosen a better time to build the house. It kind of sort of is what it is. Building this house has been one of the coolest experiences in my entire life. One of my goals sharing it on the YouTube channel is to give you guys an idea of what it's like, because it seems like a ton of fun. It is a ton of fun, but it's also crazy stressful because there's all these unforeseen circumstances, ideas, obviously additional costs, and then I don't even know what I'm doing. Like all these terminologies, all these things I'm telling you about, I don't know what it is, so it's kind of sort of out of my expertise level, which is also very stressful. So if you're thinking about building your dream house, just know it's gonna take way longer than you expect. It's gonna cost way more than you expect, but hopefully when it's all said and done, it's gonna be worth it. I think in my scenario, it's gonna be. We still got a long ways to go. So here's a fun fact that's kind of a representation of the house. That honey bucket right there, the payment I make on that honey bucket is actually more than the payment I made on my Lamborghini Gallardo when I first started my YouTube channel. Let that sink in. So maybe I slightly exaggerated right there, but it feels like it's that expensive. That being said, Luke just used the facilities. Luke, how was it?
Come on, dude.
Sorry. What? Okay. Luke, cut this out. The GTR tires and wheels are done, and that's all important and dandy and all. We're gonna go pick them up, but more importantly, I got a story time. Your boy had a date with Snapchat girl 2 weeks ago. The date went incredibly well, Luke. It really did. And at the end, I was like, you know what? I'm gonna seal the deal. I went in for the kiss, and I got swerved. But not just swerved, not just swerved. She went down to like a stance position. She was ready to throw a haymaker, a left haymaker. Obviously, I dodged it, but at the end of the day, I asked her out for a second date, and guess what? She said yes. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. And that is why I'm telling you it, because I stayed tenacious. I persevered. I got another date tonight. Will I try to kiss her? Absolutely not, but maybe I will in a week or two. I just got my first look at the wheels. They look so sick. I'm so excited. So these are going on the Nissan GTR. Oh my gosh, look at the offset on these bad boys. That's gonna be so sick. I cannot wait. White wheels with the white exterior and the carbon fiber hood. That's gonna be dope. I've been driving by this house almost every single day, and there's a red Supra sitting in that garage. I kind of want to knock on the door and just buy it, but at the same time, well, no, at the same time I do. These wheels and tires are gonna look so sick on the Nissan GTR. So I think we're gonna mount them maybe tomorrow or Monday, and then I think the car is gonna be done in maybe like 3 weeks. Sheesh, Girth Nation, we're back, baby. I'm gonna make the audience a deal, Mr. Luke Terry. If today's video gets 48,000 likes, that's easy, 48,000 likes, we'll take the yours to Moab, Utah, and we'll go off-roading in this thing.
Oh wait.
Oh wait, we already did that and it didn't go very well. So at the end of today's video is a bonus movie. The cinematography, yeah, it's a movie. It's,
Wow.
it's the bonus movie. So at the end of today's video, bonus movie. I know I've been filming a lot of house videos, but you gotta think about it from my perspective. Obviously the house is way overpriced, so we gotta make some revenue to pay for it. I'm just kidding, I mean, I am, but I'm not. The house has been an incredible journey. We've got a lot more to come, but it's also been very expensive. So I hope you guys enjoy like maybe this insider insight into the process. If you do, be sure to smash that like button. If you don't, let me know in the comments below. But today's video is over. This dude just bailed.
No,
He's out just like that.
Okay, I'm not scared at all. I'm directing you.
Wow. Why is Luke directing us?
Luke is actually like a giant wuss.
Look at him.
He got his Skittles.
So we want to go left, but we can't go left, so unfortunately we got to go right. World records aren't meant to be easy. They're meant to be tough, difficult. We got to persevere. Also, I wish we had one of those. What's up, guys? Be safe out there. Have fun. Okay, so this is how you do it. We just got to follow their line. Just like that, no biggie. We're not going down there. Luke is like the angel on one shoulder. Stefan is like the devil on the other shoulder. Stefan's just like, just send it. And Luke's like, it's not worth it, bro. But I don't know if it's just because Luke is terrified and he's stress eating.
Do it.
Stefan's got nothing to lose. He's on his day off. He's away from the wife and the kids.
Good, dude.
It's not my toy.
I gotta be a Cracker Barrel.
It looks so dope up there. Why did we bring the Urus? Okay, never doubt, full send. It's been the representation of my channel for so long. Never doubt, full send. There's a lot of doubt.
Oh! It's just a little baby one.
What do you mean?
You're fine.
Did you hear that? Bro, we just high-centered a Urus. Are you kidding me? Stefan!
He's overreacting.
No, I'm not. My car is high-centered right now.
You did this once.
I'm high-centered. This was the easy part. That's the part we were sketched out about. And 50 seconds in, it's time to, we gotta get out because we're not gonna make it.